just to know.
It's a very bright sunny day here in the foothills of Margala Hills, and as you can see today the pitch, it has rained all morning. David has a very good chance of getting early wickets, but I think Zishan is coming to open, so he's a very dangerous batsman, but let's see what the batsman can do in this pitch.
Will disappear. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground. Is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
Oh wow. Oh dear. And he goes full again, he goes well over the fence.
And I'll look
Oh dear.
around the ground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet. 'Cause I believe. Hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground. Is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
डबल निकलना हो, डबल निकलना, तू डबल निकल, डबल निकल।
चार बॉल यहाँ।
अरे शाह ये कैच है।
Hold on